Parry. I'm fundraising manager here at St Kentigern Hospice. We have a very busy fundraising department as over 80% of our funding comes from voluntary sources. A grant from Gwynt y Mor has been a really great benefit to the hospice. We're in the process of doing redevelopment, which was over £3 million was spent on the redevelopment, but during that it became apparent that we needed a new roof on part of the old building, and by gaining this grant from Gwynt y Mor, it's meant that we've been able to do it. St Kentigern Hospice offers specialist palliative care to people living in the Vale of Clwyd and surrounding areas, and that means that we offer end-of-life rehabilitation and respite care to adults, but also we offer bereavement support to families that are living within the local area, and that could be people that have had a link to the hospice previously or people living in the community. And we also offer carers support as well to carers living in the community. So there's a full range of services. By having this expansion for the hospice, it means that we'll be able to increase our capacity by over 50%. So our aim is to care for more local people going forward into the future. Grants like these and donations that we receive from the community mean that we're able to go above and beyond for local people in the community that really need the care of the hospice. So by receiving this grant that we have from Gwynt y Mor, it means that the money that we've had to spend on the roof has not been removed from the budget that we had for clinical resources in the new state-of-the-art hospice that we had planned for the future, and that's for the future of the local community. So hopefully that will mean that now we'll be able to benefit so many more people living in the North Wales area, which can only be a great thing.